Let's enjoy this beautiful sunrise view. It is around 7 a.m. in the morning. I am hunting down the sunrise. There is a few spots for you to chill, but I love the first spot. It is located 4 to 5 kilometers away from Genting theme park. This is the spot that is the most crowd. If you would like to search the place, it is located not far from Amber Court. Today it is about 15 degrees Celsius, and it is a little hard to drive due to the mist, but I love the cooling weather. If you would like to see my previous video, you can search from my channel, or I pop up the link top right for people on YouTube. You can see that many of people have drive up here quite early, or they camp here since last night. But the thing I hate the most will be shown to you soon. You will be surprised how selfish people is. We are going to arrive soon. This would be the first spot. Time to look for the best spot, and they are car even parking in the compound. Like I say, when I enter, I saw so many rubbish over here. If you camp here, please clean it up and don't just leave your rubbish there. The people should be punished. People are just chilling with the rubbish and just destroy the place and nature. One day Genting Highlands will just close the place up and no more place to chill and relax. This is the spot to see the sunset, but now is not seeing the sun, but seeing the rubbish to set. They even have people camping down there and hope they are not doing anything naughty down there. Let's have you look the last spot that I found the rubbish to set.